So yeah, what we're gonna do here with Cat Keeper is keep your car safe, and nobody's gonna buy a cat that's got spray paint and numbers on it. Numbers are gonna be for the database. What we're doing is we're taking the VIN and putting our numbers on it with it, so we know where you are in the database, and that's what you pay for every month. Make sure we know where your cat is, and if it ever gets stolen, it pops up. We know exactly where it is, where it came from, and you're good and you're safe. Um, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take your paint, put you in our database, scratch you on here, and then we're good. Just take your high temperature paint. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. You just know where it is. So here's a little bit more. Okay. So I can etch in your numbers, and it is that fast, and you are completely protected.
Your numbers will be specific to your car and your model and your registration of Cat Keeper.
Yes, that. So as soon as this paint dries, that's what actually we're waiting for right now. So as soon as this paint dries, I put your number in, your VIN, and the code for our database, and then that's where we will know what car it is, what the cat is, and where it came from. And not only that, you know, they're not gonna steal your cat, because they can't sell it. They can't sell it. They're not gonna make any money. Because as you know, as a cat buyer, I would never buy that cat. Just wouldn't do it. And then to take that off, you gotta sandblast it or sand off the paint and scratch off the number. And I get you gonna try to sell that, not gonna happen. I mean, some people might buy it, but I wouldn't do it. It'd be a bad idea. So, and that's exactly what we're doing.
It would still be identifiable if they still removed the paint and the VIN number. It will be shiny, and most of them will recognize that as having been wiped or worked on to clear. So it will still be identifiable as stolen.
It'd be a lot easier if this wasn't the way it was.